This has been a day of digging deep, hasn't it? And the result of it is what? Knowing stuff you didn't know before, yes? You've been having a good day?
The best.
And what you're going to talk about now sort of was born out of what's been going on here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I found you in September last year.
Yes.
It was the best thing.
Yes.
I guess I was ready.
Yes.
Miracles, really, really.
No, normal. It's
Okay.
normal.
Normal.
Receptive mode brings normal things. It only looks like a miracle when you're not in the receptive mode. It only looks like magic when you're not in the receptive mode.
Yeah. So, I got lazy. I guess depressed, lazy, heard you day and night. And there was one lady here, she come here once, and every time I hear her, I cry because it's so nice, you know. Well, I can relate because she said she found herself and she loved herself, and this is how I feel. I love myself so much.
Yes? Yes?
Yeah.
So where are you right now? What do you want to talk about?
Well, after 4 months listening to you day and night, doing everything.
That's too much, first of all.
Yeah. Yeah, but it did
Chill
for
out.
me.
We know, but don't work so hard at this.
I was not. I wanted to do it.
We know. But what we're saying is, if you make it a big deal, so much to learn, so much to study, got to listen, it's easier than that. Just go to the beach.
But I felt good. It was not so much that I wanted to learn, or it just calmed me down. It made me feel good.
But there's something in you that we must speak to, and that is you believe that you must pay a big price in order to receive. Mm-hmm. And as long as you believe that you must pay a big price in order to receive, you're going to have to pay a bigger price than anybody can pay in order to receive. So what we're trying to do is sort of shake you into realizing that you don't have to earn it. You've already got it. You already understand it. That's why we wanted to call you up. Here's a room full of people. We wanted you to know that you light up for us, that everything's working out for you. And you can relax in this. There's a tension of trying too hard that we want you to just soften and let go of. Okay?
Okay.
Really
okay.
good. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Good. Now what?